Surfboard.
Surfboard. Hi guys. So today we are
Into the folks at home.
Here we go. Here we go. So our attire must give you the impression that we are doing something stupid. We have our little background, our beers, and we are dressed occasionally.
We don't want the winter, the blizzard. We want the summer. The summer.
So we figured, why not bring it to our living room?
Summer.
Meanwhile, we can't even see out our windows right now.
Cue a picture.
So, we decided
Bring
that it
some
would be-
summer to you folks at home.
it would be a
Summer.
We decided that we should do a challenge that we've been wanting to do for a little while now. So how it goes
How goes it?
is she's gonna be blindfolded. How does this work?
Whoever is blindfolded has to touch a body part, and they're gonna guess what body part they're touching.
On the other person.
And
We're definitely keeping score.
yes, the person who gets the most right
Wins.
wins. The loser has to go out into our summer attire and flip-flops. Go out. We have a path for Mizzo shoveled. We have to take 2 hops into the deep snow and come back. That will be recorded for you folks at home.
So that's what we're doing.
Cold as a mother.
Let's get this shit started. How many fingers am I holding up?
2,
Try again.
7,
Try again.
6.
Okay, you can't see me.
Okay. Like lifted.
Okay, ready? Give me your pointer finger.
The inside of your pointer finger. Was that right?
No.
A finger.
No.
What? Damn it, what was it?
In between my big toe and my next toe.
Are you for real? You got some long ass toes. Okay. Number 2.
Okay, hold on, let me get ready.
Are you ready? Oh, come on, Felicia. Navida. Navida.
Give me your pointer finger.
Navida. Your ear. That's inside your ear. One.
So this is number 3.
Your neck? Like at your chin.
Is that your final answer?
No. It's your kneecap, underneath your knee.
So where is it?
Underneath your knee.
So on the opposite side of my leg. Like,
Here.
right, yeah, good job. High five.
Thanks for giving me second option.
Okay,
Okay.
ready?
Between your boobs?
Yep.
I thought you were psyching me out. I thought it was your armpit, but I was like, no. Because well, she's trying to psych me out. I know my girl's tits! That cleavage though, look at that. Don't look at it, please don't.
Alright, ready?
Is it at the crease of your butt and your leg?
Yes.
Is it for real?
Yeah.
Yes!
All right.
Four, folks, four.
So I have to get all of them right.
Ready?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Was that mess up?
Yep, on your finger.
It's your armpit.
Yes. Armpit fat.
I love that.
It's so ugly. Get off. Give me your finger.
I'm scared. Your cheek.
Damn! Yep.
I know my woman.
I'm gonna be jumping in fucking snow.
Huh?
Ready?
Is that your butt? Oh my. Is that your butt cheek? Did you show that your butt?
No, I didn't. I didn't. I promise.
Was that your butt?
What part of my butt?
Your butt cheek. Your right butt cheek.
Nope.
Yes, it was your butt.
What part of my butt?
Really?
Yeah. There's a difference between certain areas of your butt.
It was this part.
I called your crease.
It was this part right here.
Nope. One wrong. You literally fingered my butt crack. And I voiced it to them in the camera, so I didn't even show them.
You made me touch your butt crack?
Yep. Ready? Gosh, jump.
Can I touch it again? Can I touch it?
I need a moment. Ready?
Your chin.
Damn it!
That was your chin. No, I have 4 to 3. So you need to do one more. 4 to 4. What do I read out?
Okay, so you have one more.
One more.
Okay.
Are you making me touch myself?
No, wait.
My finger?
Nope. This is, you get a second guess. Could you really technically use it for my butt crack?
Can I touch it again? Your wrist.
Yes.
Woo!
We have a tiebreaker.
Tiebreaker. You gotta make this one hard, babe. Make it real hard.
You ready? Ready?
You're hurting me. Can I touch it again?
Yep.
Your arm. Right here.
Part.
Right
God
here.
damn it.
Your muscles.
My bicep.
Yeah!
No bicep that's there. To be honest.
Woo! So this is the tiebreaker.
Yep. It's hard to think of places.
It is.
If I wasn't self-conscious, I would have picked other places, but it probably would have been harder.
Okay, ready.
barely touched, but I think I know, but can I touch one more time? You got two chances before. I barely touched! Like, that's horrible.
Your eyelid?
Wait, is your lip?
What part of my lip?
Your upper lip.
Nope.
Like up here.
Nope. You're wrong.
God fucking damn it!
It was this part right here.
Ugh. So now what? I gotta go jump
So
in.
now T's gonna be going and jumping, and it's now 2 times. 1, 2. I love you, good game.
Bye, Felicia. Well, next time you'll see me up here in snow. Alright, well, you put some jams on?
Yeah. You okay, babe?
I don't know what I'm doing. It's like, you know, you cry so much and it's like...
Is that what you would do right now if you were crying?
If I was like probably
If you weren't crying, you would be like... That one.
Yeah,
I guess so.
that's terrible.
This is a good song.
There's vehicles outside right now. It's blizzard time. This still has to dance. Turn around for the folks at home. Hey, here he is. Say hi.
Baby, come here.
You look good though. Ready, miss? Say hi. Bye.